I hope you enjoy this short video showing the restoration process on this Redwood deck. We're going to be using the Super Deck product line on this project. The Super Deck product line is available at Sherwin-Williams and J&W Lumber. This deck had an inferior coating applied to it. We're going to apply the stripper and then scrub the deck down, followed by a light pressure wash. So the stripper is applied and then it is scrubbed down with stiff deck brushes to loosen up the coating. A moderate pressure washing is then done to rinse away all the debris. We then applied the wood brightener and did another pressure washing. Pressure washing can cause damage to the wood, so be extremely careful if you're not experienced in using a pressure washer. As you can see in these two before photos, the deck was extremely discolored. With the stripping completed, the wood brightener applied, the lumber has returned to a beautiful condition and is ready for re-oiling in the morning. The next morning, the lumber is dry and ready to be retreated. We did a little bit of surface prep by doing some minor sanding, and we're ready to apply the new oil. After the lumber is thoroughly clean and dry, it's time to put on the new oil. We like to use a foam applicator pad on an extension pole. The pad, saturated in oil, leaves a smooth, clean finish. Foam applicator pads work very well for putting on the Super Deck finish. This homeowner was extremely disappointed in the prior coating, and she is very happy with the finished results that we achieved on her deck. Thanks for watching the video. Jim the Deck Guy in San Diego.